In this stage of the new product development process, you're going to find out if your idea is likely to make a profit. Profit is the key. After all, if your idea is unlikely to make a profit, you may want to reconsider. That may sound harsh, but it's better to know at this stage rather than spend a lot of time, money and effort and find out later. Stage 4 involves doing a detailed analysis of your idea. You want to uncover all the costs involved in producing and marketing your product. Then you can find out what sort of profit you can expect. Here are the things you need to look at. First of all, price. How much do you plan to sell your product for? And how does that fit with the market? Next, what is the market potential? Have a look at the current level of activity and interest in products similar to yours. Based on that, what share of the market do you think you'll get? Be realistic, particularly if you're a newcomer to this market. Sales is another important area to consider. How much do you think you will sell? Look at the number of units as well as the value. Again, be realistic. That leads us on to work out your break-even point. How many products do you need to sell to cover your fixed costs? We covered break-even in the Managing Your Finances module. It may be helpful to go back and remind yourself how to work it out. Now you've worked out how much it's going to cost you to produce the product and how much money you expect to come in, you can work out your return on investment, your ROI. How long will it be before you start to actually make money? The final part of your business analysis is looking at your marketing strategy. How do you plan to launch your product and get first-time customers? And how will you get follow-on sales? That's quite a detailed analysis, isn't it? There are 2 planning tools highlighted in this module to help you with this process. One is pest analysis and the other is a SWOT analysis. Use them to make sure you cover all aspects of the market. Remember, you're looking at the potential profitability of your product idea, and that leads to the success of your business. It's really very worthwhile to spend time on this business analysis stage.